First time Killdozer's gone over.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Off-Road Truckers channel. When you last left us, I had skillfully laid Killdozer over on its side for the first time in its life, only to discover that we had only one option, and one option only, to drive this thing up out of the hole, while Duffy and I kept it on all fours. You guessed it, the one, the only, the myth, the legend. My wife, who notoriously hits things in the woods, is our only option to drive this buggy up out of this hole. Let's get back to the action.
What am I doing?
You just gotta steer. Yes. You're not starting it up or nothing. Getting in. So we're just gonna try to slowly roll you down, put it neutral, and aim for that dip. Roll. And just ride the brake and just up the wheel. Yep.
What am I doing?
At this point in time, we're trying to avoid her actually having to drive it out of this spot at all costs. With me being the only buggy with a winch, our options were very limited.
Well, I had Red Bull. You drive over your monster, and then you fucking put us on our side and dump my Red Bull out. Now what am I doing?
Put it in low. Trying to back up. I just go forward. Delayed. There's a lot of weight that way. Yeah, but no matter what, we're gonna go forward.
And that might be too deep with my left.
And put it reverse. Take a different angle. She's got to the right or the left. Stay where she is. Slowly go. Slowly back up. Yep. Remember, keep your hands in if it goes over.
I know.
Hey, hold on. You see both clicks? Yeah. Mine is? Mine. What you said?
Behind me, yeah.
Okay. Alright, I thought I was making sure. It seemed like it was fucking struggling.
Still going back. Still
Back
going
up,
back.
yeah, back
go
up.
ahead. Give it some. Yep, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh. See if she can get up to the turn. Yeah, turn to your right, back up a little bit more. Right.
Yep, she's going. Go ahead.
Turn right, a little bit more.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Get it. Slide it. Oh. Turn up the hill. Turn down the hill. Turn left. Yep. And slowly go forward a little bit.
Forward?
Put it in gear, but let it coast. Yep. Slowly go up that hill. Go ahead. Cut left as hard as you can.
Am I going forward or back?
Yeah, forward. Just slowly keep it cut the way you want to go off the hill. Yep. Just like that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Easy. Yep, just easy. Yep. 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 Now, stop there.
That's the hill where
You see where his tire tracks are?
My tire tracks are right here. Oh, yeah. Yep, just like that. You're going to lean hard that way, which is better than that way. We're almost to the creek. I can see it. Yep, just go ahead and slowly. Yep.
Alright.
Brake.
Don't know
And
where
then-
to go.
Yep, there we go.
Now let her slowly
come.
It's
gonna do it hard again right here.
What's that?
It's going to feel hard because we do.
Can you see?
No. I am
You gotta-
5'2".
Hold on. Keep your put it apart. There we can look. Yep. Jesus Christ. See
So-
where you're aiming?
You want to aim your tires right here.
They're almost lined up perfectly as it is. Once you go
But
down
me
in
and Mike
that
are going to
dip,
be on that side.
once you go in that dip, you need to head it a little bit and then start turning.
And just come up
Because
around.
once your ass head falls in there, it's going to want to fucking roll you.
Would you look at that?
Like that. Up to her. Yep, a little bit more. Get that front end. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me when you're about to hit.
I'm back there.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. About to hit the top. Yep, go ahead. See? Not
Yeah,
even
don't say
fucking
stupid shit like that.
10 minutes later.
Not even 10 minutes. It's like fucking 5 minutes.
Low and slow, Duffy. You and your fucking pink cooler go slow.
Yeah, we roll low and slow.
Duffy, you side by side and truck go slow.
It's not meant to go slow, buddy.
Yes, it is.
So now that we're back on all fours, we're heading down to the creek, which will lead us to the beer can where we're meeting Corey and Trevor, who are probably wondering where the hell we are.
Did Daddy put your buggy on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like those on the side.
Neither do I, buddy.
So after what seemed like an eternity, we finally made it to beer can and finally met up with Trevor and Corey. We also met up with a couple of guys on quads that were trying to figure out the easiest way out of the woods, because the one actually flipped his four-wheeler at the same spot that I laid Killdozer on its side. If you take a close look, you can see the welt and blood from where he tipped it over. One of the reasons why I enjoy the side-by-side more than a quad, because they are a lot more forgiving in situations like that. So after standing around and BSing for a little bit, we got back out on the trails to go find us some more fun.
Killdozer got it?
Yeah.
Killdozer a beast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This Killdozer don't even care about his damn self.
rocks down, all the rocks. I thought
Really?
you like rocks.
I love rocks.
I do love rocks, but I did it from down because Killdozer can make it, but we are only going down this one.
Oh, you wanted him to go down the other one.
Yeah.
We're trying to keep it a little safer for you, buddy, so we don't go over it.
Ah.
Why are you filming me? Skid plate. You got a skid plate.
I know we got a skip plate.
Oh,
Is it going to be Southington all over again?
no.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're pretty close to that wall.
So if you're a regular at Off-Road Truckers, you know exactly what she's talking about when she says isn't going to be Southington again. And if you're not a regular, what the hell are you doing with your life? On our first Southington ride, we got on a trail that we probably shouldn't have been on. And we got wedged up against a wall, and I tore off my rear body panel. It was a very bad spot. If you've ever gotten yourself into a spot you shouldn't have been and caused some sort of damage, comment down below what happened.
See?
Now check and make sure your panel's still on.
It's still there.
Okay.
Unlike the last time we were at Wellsville, the weather's actually pretty decent today, so there's a fair amount of people running around, including quads and dirt bikes. We were going to go over to Crazy Horse to see if anybody was doing anything fun over there, but there was nobody doing anything fun, so we decided to stir up a little bit of our own fun.
And then he falls. Between
But
Duffy.
he got the rock on the backside, so that's way worse.
Rooney, don't put rocks up your butt.
This kid absolutely lives to off-road. If we're not in the woods, he's watching off-roading on YouTube. If we're in the woods and we're not driving, he's off to the side with his Hot Wheels, pretending to off-road. I don't think anybody enjoys this more than he does.
Installed some on another guy's buggy.
I'm convinced that's why he breaks his
It's supposed
shit.
to be that way. Oh, that's all right. Looks straight to me.
Oh,
They're both bad.
oh.
They're both
Looking from this side. Damn. Oh, you must have caught that big rock up there coming around the bend.
He's inspecting.
Remember that cloud thing you said?
Yeah,
You're inspecting it? Yeah. Is it bent? Yeah.
Got a winch, don't you?
You don't have a,
Oh my gosh, you're getting Yellow Creek without a winch?
oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh, that don't mean shit.
Well, that's what I fucking told him. No, when we leave. We knew it was going to be a couple of just us two, and I said, I'm the only one with a winch. He's like, well, that's okay. I said, yeah, until I'm the one on my fucking side.
Listen, when people leave, you leave.
I have to. Every time I fucking stay behind, I fucking break something. Every fucking time.
Look, I just want you to know, this motherfucker and Timmy left me the last time. I was like, no, I'm good, bro. We're good.
I said, Trevor, you good? You said, yeah.
yeah, I'm good.
I'm gone.
And then
You said, yeah.
That's what he did.
the dude on the dirt bike's like, hey man, can you help us out? Like my dude, you know, his shit broke, the sprocket ripped off of the damn 4-wheeler.
Yeah.
Well, he was clear down over a hillside. Yeah. Broke my winch, broke the broke the nylon on it, pulled it out of the drum. Then I was slinging shit like this big onto this dude in 4-wheel drive, trying to get him up this fucking hill, dragging him up the hill. And we were there until just about dark. Okay? So it was like 2 hours before it got dark. That's how long we were there. My shit was completely clean after the buggy wash.
Yeah.
It was. And then I left there, and the entire trip I followed a dirt bike up through like Shaggy and all this other shit.
Yeah.
Up a dirt bike trail. We had my side-by-side like this, so far off camber that it was lifting the passenger side off, and my wife's in the passenger side. She's like, we shouldn't be doing this. Call Timmy and call Corey, tell them to come back here. I was like, we got it for now. I'm like, for now.
You do till you don't.
Yeah.
Figure it out
Come
later.
on, man. I'll fucking winch it real quick.
Think it'll trade you? We got to winch down though.
You still got how many more?
Well, go over there, climb the tree, and then we'll pull it in up against the tree.
There you go.
Said I had to pull it down.
Yeah.
I don't think you're bending that.
Huh?
Oh, you put enough tension on it with the winch, you
I
can't.
think you'll snap the bolts.
Probably. Or break it at the heim joints.
Oh, yeah. We kind of need that one. It's good enough to where it is. It's not going to hurt it anymore. The worst thing it'll do is break it and then allow it to move a little bit. Ain't fucking worth it.
I have in my bag none other than, brought to you by EQ Outdoors, a rod rescue, just in case you snap that, Duffy.
What if we can see how good it works? Because after we fix it, we're still going to beat the biz out of it.
I'm just saying, if you go to EQOutdoors.us, use code OffRoadTruckers with a Z, you can get 5% off your entire order, which might include a rod rescue that Duffy might have to use today.
Maybe. We'll see.
That was the perfect opportunity. I was like sitting there thinking, talking to you guys. I was like, oh, fuck. This concludes part 2. Make sure you tune in next week to see what part 3 has in store for our Wellsville ride. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thank you so much for the support. If you don't mind continuing to do so, make sure you like, comment, and share to all your friends and family. This is Off-Road Truckers signing out for the week. Deuces.
Every time somebody rides with us,
They do break.
they break.
On the tires, what's on the road?